Today, we're going to look at the Condor Flashbang Pouch in ever fashionable black and or coyote brown, so that you can do something super ultra high speed tactical like this. And I'm going to show you how to do it. And yeah. Do you even operate pro? Welcome to the reviewing table, by which I mean the dining room table that the baby was playing with Play-Doh on and should probably be cleaned. This is the Condor Flashbang Pouch, $11.99, shipped to my front door. Thank you, Amazon. Single flashbang pouch, condoroutdoor.com. And it has MOLLE on the back. You can hook it up to your belt or put it through a MOLLE field, however you want to do it. It's got this super high-tech, fast-tech buckle right here, and then it Velcros, right? And this is all adjustable. Why do I have this? As a civilian, what do I need a flashbang pouch for? I love them for belt kits like this. Okay, this, and as you can see, it's got dirt on it and mud and gets used. You can put a belt, standard, 1.5-inch belt through there, or 2-inch belt through here, or weave it in. And then in here, what do I have? A genuine cat tourniquet, a set of shears, and a 14-gauge needle for pneumothorax needle decompression right here. That's it. Takes up very little space on the belt, weighs nothing, and it's right there. So for a duty belt, bing! For looking super ultra high-speed tactical at the range, bing! For everyday carry, bing! For your line 1 gear, bing! Yep, all of the above. So this is it. That's all there is to it. I got a black one because, sometimes I want to be a ninja. And I have a coyote one because sometimes I fantasize about special operations. So, oh, I can hear the internet warriors now. So I just push this through here like that. Shears come out. Cat comes out. Needle comes out. Good to go, right? And that's all there is to it. It is $12 shipped to your front door on Amazon, and I like it. I mean, people tell me all the time, Condor is airsoft gear. Nobody goes to war with Condor. To which I would say, have you gone to war? And if so, how would you rate this compared to what you were issued? Because lots of guys go to the PX and buy this to replace what they were issued. And I have had exactly one failure on a Condor piece of equipment, and it was a buckle, and they sent me another buckle free of charge. And I've been running it for years, no issues. Is it Tactical Tailor? No. Is it Sojourner? No. Is it London Bridge? No. Eberly stock? No. But it's $12 shipped to your front door. The end. And just like that, there's 2 of them set up and ready to go. Could probably go a little deeper. There we go. Bing! Bear approved. And here's it on an actual gun belt that actually gets used. That by operators doing operator things. There it is. Imagine that. That's incredible. Yeah. Yep. You can do high-speed things with Condor, I promise you. Shalom.